Hey guys, Jack Gleason here, and I'm going to show you how I actually trade automatically, how I size my contracts automatically, how I use artificial intelligence basically to trade, how I use automation to trade, how you can too. So one of the things I do is I trade multiple markets. It gives me a lot more opportunities than just staring at the Nasdaq the entire day. But part of that is also being in the exact same size in every market. And the Russell is going to be different than the Nasdaq, which is going to be different than the Dow, which is going to be different than oil and gold and so on and so forth. And I don't want to always be thinking about, oh, how many contracts do I need? So I built this automatic trading tool which actually allows and calculates the contract size for me. So I'm going to show you guys those settings here. So here at the top left in my little startup trading ATR order function, I have my stop automatically set to 1.5 times the average true range. I have a target of 1, 2, and 3 times the average true range. Now, my stop is going to move to break even plus 10 ticks. And I can edit that here. So it says break even. I can turn that on or off, but let's do break even plus 10 ticks. And then it's going to show my brackets. It's going to show how long I've been in the trade. So I'm aware like, hey, if this position isn't moving, I've been in the trade for 30 minutes. I might not want to hold it. Might not be a great trade. So all of this is automatically calculated and it's super helpful. So let me actually change up a couple of these. Let's go to the final target. It's going to be 5 times the size of my target. We'll do the second time, 3 times the size of my target. And for the risk mode, I can either choose automatically how many contracts, if I want to trade 6, if I want to trade 3, if I want to trade 4, or if I want to risk the dollar amount, which is how I trade. I risk the same dollar amount no matter if I'm trading the ES, the Nasdaq, or the S&P or gold. And the market is constantly changing, as you guys know. If you've been trading a while, the market's constantly changing. So when the market's constantly changing, the speed of the market is constantly changing. The volatility of the market is constantly changing. And with that, your stop size should change too. So I'm going to turn the market on here. We're running in playback mode. We're going to let it play out a bit. Let me pump up the speed a bit. Here we go. Let it crash. And that's one of the most important things is trading is that you're constantly trading the exact same size. Because if you're risking $1,000 on one trade, and then let's say you go ahead and you risk, $200 on the next trade, what we're going to do here is I'm going to place an order and show you guys how this works. So I'm going to go down. We're going to hit just control click, and that's going to place an order. Now, what you're going to see is this contract size is actually going to change as the market changes in volatility. We're going into the open. I'm risking 10 contracts here, and you can see these are what automatically, once my limit gets filled, the profit targets are going to be here. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3. We're at 10 contracts right now. Let's speed up the pace. This is 100 times normally as fast as we'd be currently trading. And it's going to give me my total P&L. Okay, so it'll actually tell you how much money you make if you hit all 3 targets. And it'll tell you how much money you're risking as well. So it's kind of hard to see right now, but I'm risking $500. If I ever wanted to go in here, let's see how my contract size is 9. Let's say I wanted to bump this up to 1,000. Okay, let's go to $1,000 of risk per trade. Automatically doubled my size here. Oop, look, we're going to be coming up into that limit. And boom, I'm filled. Let's go down here. So once I'm filled, my stop is automatically placed. There's my first target. You see, we just came down to that first and second target already got hit. Here's that third target. You see how that stop moved to break even plus 10 ticks? This is all doing it automatically. I don't need to be at my desk. Once I'm filled in that trade, that stop is there. That profit target is there. It's moving that stop to break even. It's locking in that profit once my second target is hit, and then you're just waiting for the third target. So a lot of times I'm just coming up with a support or resistance level, and then I'm letting this order strategy work for me. This is called my Automatic ATR Order Strategy, and it's something I developed for NinjaTrader, and you can buy it. I have it for sale. It's only $300. Honestly, I think it's completely worth it. It's going to save you. That's basically like one evaluation on any of these prop firms, but it's going to keep your risk in check. It's going to allow you to trade multiple markets, and now that the single stock futures are coming out, it's going to be huge for position sizing. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, contact@startuptrading.com, or I'll leave the order link below. Take care. Actually, you know what? Let's just let this hit target. You'll see how it works. And we'll speed it up a little bit. Boom. Come on. And there you go. Target hit. Oh, let me show you just a couple order. If I just want to sell, actually, might as well show you guys this too. Control V. Just going to sell the market. If I just wanted to sell, just going to go Control V, and then it just automatically, same thing. Just to show you guys that. If, boom, first target hit. Let's see if that second target gets hit or not. But same thing, automatic order tools, guys, super helpful. I really encourage you guys to look into this, look into automation, and let me know if this is something you think will help you. Comment below.